What are you doing?
Making snow angels.
Hi! Hi, Vincent! Your hands are not cold. Are you sure? Wow! Are you handsome? Say hi! Hi, Sam! Hi, Samantha! Hi, Vincent! Are you guys making snow angels? No? What are you doing now? Wow! Throwing snow under the sky. Hi, Daddy! I thought we're helping Daddy shovel. Stay in the middle, guys, okay? Oh my! Look, Vincent! Wow! It's a winter wonderland here! Cool! Are you guys having fun? Here, Vincent! Are you guys making snow angel or just lying in the snow? Okay, Vincent. Okay, can you open the door, honey? Wait, that's not ready yet. Guys, stay here first. Samantha, you might bump your head. Careful, please.
On March 16, 1521,
Say cheese, Samantha, show
when
me your teeth
Philippines
again.
was discovered by Magellan,
Vincent, smile
they
at
were
me.
sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla get at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come up flats. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolos and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.